Welcome to my channel, Kenyatta here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you've been around for a while, big up yourself. So here I'd like to share about the container garden. As of this video, I started it 16 days ago. If you have not seen that video, you may want to check it out. There's a link at the top right of this video. So the plants are coming on well, growing fiercely. You can see corn, squash, sunflower, zucchini, more corn, chard, okra, all coming on pretty well. I'm pretty surprised at the rate at which these plants are growing. Compared to the ones downstairs, these ones are just growing really fast and they seem so much healthier. I also got some beans in there. Did you see that one? Yes, still need to finish that trellis for them to climb on. And yes, there's some tomatoes as well. Yeah, so again, the plants are pretty healthy and strong. They look pretty good at this point in time, so we'll see how it goes. And even the small pot, I planted, it's just incredible how much the plants are just bursting. The ground cherries and the chard are doing pretty well. On the other side now, what started as a secondary afterthought garden is starting to take shape. Yes, I do prefer the brown buckets to these cut in half oil jugs, but these will have to do for now. Yeah, so the round muong, water spinach are doing pretty well, scallion and so forth, but I'll share more about this in a little bit. On day 16, I also continue to grow microgreens, both sunflowers as well as pea shoots. Aren't they lovely? I love these babies in my smoothie. My green smoothie, that is. Dickie came over for a visit and I had him try microgreens again for the second time. When I saw his face for the first time, I realized this needs to be captured on camera. So let's see how it is for him for the second time around.
Come on, Dickie.
Come on. Not ready yet. Not ready yet. Come on.
Oh shoot, I get my microphone.
You know, get the microphone. Get the microphone.
Okay. Dickie trying it for the first time. Okay, second time. First time I never get him. So Dickie, the second time I tried this, how it tastes? How it tastes?
Yeah, man, it's good, man. It tastes good, man.
You can't eat the, you.
Yeah, man, you can eat, man. It's good.
You remind you of anything?
Nearly like lettuce. Also. Lettuce. Nearly like lettuce also.
Okay, it tastes like lettuce or so, eh? Something you eat every day?
Me like it. Yeah, man, you can eat it. Yeah, man, you can eat.
Okay, folks, Dickie, any review of sunflower greens? This is the second time. The first time he kind of make a face, but we never have the camera, so we couldn't record it. But now you can see him now. Second time I try it.
Yeah, man, it's nice, man. We are going more.
All right. Thanks, Dickie, for your bravery to experiment with something new.
Yeah, man. Good, man.
And you not just say so because you want everybody.
No, man. Not just so, not just so, man. Good.
All right, folks, you hear it. You hear it from Dickie himself. So if you haven't tried sunflower greens, you may want to check it out. All right. Look more.
Bam, bam, bam.
Okay, folks, are you seeing what I'm seeing? The first set of blossoms. You see that? Right here. No, there's a flower, there's a blossom here. There's another one too. Oh my god. Looky, looky. And the plant has a flower on it. You see it? You see it? You see it? Yeah. That's it. First set of blossoms on these. Yes, there's one underneath there. Oh, there's more here coming too. Okay, so this plant is off to a good start. Am I call you? So this plant is off to a good start, starting to blossom, but of course there's way too much in one. It's a light, it's a lamp. So there's way too much in this pot, so I'm starting to wait for another pot so we can transplant them. So this one is showing the first cornflower coming up, but I'm not seeing no corn though. No corn of the pan in it, actually quite short. So that's kind of interesting. You see the plant? The first one I planted started to have a flower. So we'll see what this brings about, because I thought we normally have the ear corn first before you have the flower, but I guess not.
Overall, the garden is doing pretty well. As you can see, over here it's filling in a little bit more on day 34. I have transplanted tomatoes here, and I covered here with a piece of cardboard just to give it a bit of shade from the sun, so it's not so stressed with the sun on it. I've also topped up the potatoes with some soil. These 2 planters are of muong or water spinach that were transplanted and again covered to protect it from the sun. Oh, looky what I have behind here. It is the ground cherries growing, getting bigger. Can you see that? 8 days later. And another delight, our squash flowers coming up, and looky, inside is a bee. A bee has found us. Anyways, I'm happy about that. I'm happy to see that because there's life here on this veranda, where months ago, no life, and now there is plant life, insect life. Yes. So thank you folks for joining me on this journey. Thank you for watching. And please do, if you do have questions and like to see more of certain things, please do let me know in the comments.